Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you another simple recipe of how to make hot chili sauce at home, also known as pilipili ya kukaanga. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so because I bring simple recipes every other week and I would not like you to miss any of them. And without wasting too much of your time, let's get into the video. So on medium flame, fry one large onion in 1 cup oil, a quarter cup oil, sorry. So next add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and ginger garlic paste is simply ginger and garlic crushed together, added some salt and oil to make a paste. So at this point I'm going to add my spices. I added 1 teaspoon paprika and 1 teaspoon cumin powder, but you can add even more spices if you'd like your pilipili to be even more spicier. At this point also you can add salt to taste. Mix well. So next we are going to add 2 grated tomatoes. You can also blend the tomatoes to make them even more smooth. Then give it a good mix. Then allow to simmer so that the sauce can thicken. Just keep stirring on medium to low flame. And then I added 5 green chilies. You can add more if you like your pilipili to be even more hotter and more spicier. So just give it a good mix after adding the chilies. And then allow it to cook on low flame. You'll know it's ready when the oil has completely separated from the from the other ingredients. And at this point our pilipili is ready, but not yet, because we are going to add 1 freshly squeezed lemon juice into the mixture. Give it a good mix and then cook for 1 more minute and it's ready. So I had already squeezed my lemon juice. I'm just going to add it. Then on medium to low flame, I'm going to give it a good mix and then cook for 1 more minute and it's ready. So just give it a very good mix on medium to low flame. Yeah, mix vigorously because it might start sticking on the sufuria. And just like that, our pilipili is done. So next we are going to drain off the excess oil, and you can use that oil to cook any other meal that you like, and our pilipili is ready. Yeah, just drain off the excess oil and we are done. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you so much for your continued support. Please share this video with your friends, with your relatives, and anyone that you know might be interested in learning, and I will highly appreciate that. And until next time, I hope you enjoy. See you on the next video.